In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a desktop shortcut to a website. This is a really handy trick if there are websites you visit all the time, like your email, a project dashboard, or a favorite tool, and you want to open them as quickly as you open any app on your computer. First, go ahead and open your web browser and navigate to the website you want a shortcut for. Make sure the page you're on is exactly where you want the shortcut to take you. For example, if you always use a specific dashboard or login page, open that page now and wait for it to finish loading completely. Next, we're going to create the shortcut from your desktop. Minimize or resize your browser window so you can see both the website and an empty area of your desktop at the same time. Having both visible makes this much easier and helps you place the shortcut exactly where you want it. Now, move your mouse up to the address bar at the top of your browser. This is where you see the website link. Click once on that address so it becomes highlighted. In most browsers, you'll also see a small icon to the left of the web address, usually a lock symbol or a little logo for the site. Click and hold that icon, then drag it from the address bar onto an empty space on your desktop. As you drag, you should see a small outline or a plus symbol indicating that you're creating a shortcut. Release the mouse button on the desktop, and a new shortcut will appear there. This new icon is your desktop shortcut to the website. You can click it once to select it. Then click again on the text underneath if you want to rename it to something clearer, like email or project dashboard. Just type the new name and press enter. From now on, whenever you double-click that shortcut, your default browser will open directly to that website, saving you the extra steps of opening the browser and typing in the address. If you ever change your mind, you can delete the shortcut the same way you delete any file on your desktop. Don't worry, removing the shortcut will not delete or affect the actual website. It only removes the quick link from your computer. That's all you need.